In this lesson, we'll need to map the lower-level sub-items, which we see in our source data, to some larger categories that are displayed in a typical P&L. I would like to give you an example so you know why this is necessary. Okay, here's how a P&L composed of all items in our database would look. Do you agree that's impractical? It's too long and difficult to comprehend. One struggles to understand what type of expense was sustained that contributed the most. To eliminate such difficulties, we'll need to organize our P&L and perform a mapping exercise. It consists in assigning a macro category to various sub-items in a way to obtain a regular type P&L that includes the categories we are used to seeing. In this case, the P&L would contain the following macro categories, although quite a few of these items can be grouped as well. All of the operating expenses you see here, for example, standing between gross profit and EBITDA. Anyway, I hope this makes it a bit clearer why we need to carry out the mapping exercise. Please go ahead and give it a go on your own, and once ready, compare the mapping you carried out with the one we have provided in the answers. Please make sure to use categories that are only shown here as P&L items. This is the whole purpose of the mapping exercise. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in our next lesson.